Good evening students. Today we are going to see the numericals of power. Okay, power topic we have studied already. We have you have solved one examples. Now this is little bit different. Power as well as energy consumed means commercial unit you have studied. Okay, in that we what is the type of the problem, what type of problems can come, that type we are going to solve here. Means this little bit it is related to our daily life examples. You can see the first example over here. An electric heater of 1000 watt is used for 3 hours a day. Okay, now what happens, the electric heater of 1000 watt is used for 3 hours. In one day it is used for 3 hours. What is the cost of using it for month? You have to find the cost. How much cost for month of 25 days? Means for 1 hour, for 3 hours this much watt. Okay, you have to find for 25 days in a month. For 25 days what will be the cost you have to find. If 1 unit cost 4, you have to find now electricity bills. You know how it comes. Similarly these problems are now you have to find the rate cost for how much unit it will come, that much unit you have to find out into. For 1 unit it costs 4 rupees. So how much for total it costs for 25 days you have to find out. Okay, so first we will go what things are given over here. You will see here see 1000 watt means what, power equal to 1000 watt is given. Time, now time here how much, what is the time over here? You can see time is 3 hours, it is given, time is given 3 hours. Okay, so here time I will write 3 hours, but how much, 3 hours a day it is given. You have to find what is the cost of using it for month of 25 days. In 25 days you have to find out. So what, here only I will convert it. It is for 3 hours it was, now 3 into you have to find for 25 days. How much it is, 75 hour. Okay, so see now if 1 unit cost rupees, now for finding this you have to first find the total units. So what is the unit over there, P you got, T you got, energy consumed you have to find out. How much energy is consumed first you will find out. Here I will write energy consumed. Now what is the formula of energy consumed? As you have studied total average power, you have studied average power equal to total work done divided by total time. So the total work done is only same as energy consumed, means total energy consumed is equal to total work done. So the same formula I will write over here. Total average power equal to total energy consumed divided by total time, means it is same as the average power, only here total work done, work energy same. Okay, so total work done it was, here total energy consumed, both formulas same. So you have to find the total energy consumed, this term will come this side. So total energy equal to P, power into this total time T. So total energy consumed is the power into time taken. So it's the same formula I will take here. Energy consumed equal to power into time T. Here what is the power? Power here it is 1000 watt. Now we will convert the 1000 watt into kilowatt. How much it will be then? 1000 watt equal to 1 kilowatt. This you know. Okay, so here in as you know, you have to find 1 unit. What is 1 unit? 1 unit is equal to 1 kilowatt hour. This very important. 1 unit means it is 1 kilowatt hour. Okay, if you find difficulty in solving this, just keep the unit in mind, easily you can solve it. Now here see the power is in kilowatt and the time is in hour. If you will multiply these two, you will get 1 unit. Okay, very simple, you can solve here. So energy consumed P equal to how much here now? Power we got 1 kilowatt into time how much? 75 hour. If you will multiply this, how much you will get? 1 into 75, you will get 75. See the units? Kilowatt hour means 75 kilowatt hour. That is 75 units. How much units they have used? 75 units. And if 1 unit cost 4 rupees, okay, I will write here. If 1 unit cost rupees 4, then how much 75 units will cost? Then 75 units cost will be how much? 75 into 4. Okay, so how much it will be? 300 rupees. Okay, I will write the symbol of rupees. So 300 rupees it cost. Understood? This way you will write. Okay, this way you will find the how much unit consumed as well as how much rupees it can cost. Okay, now see, this is very interesting example and very simple. Okay, as you will see, it is very little bit bigger, but it is very simple. Just try to understand here. This is your everyday household example. You can see, if a house has two 60-watt bulbs, in a house there is two bulbs, okay, and both are 60-watt bulbs, lighted for 5 hours, and that bulbs are lighted for 5 hours. A 100-watt lamp lighted for 2 hours. Okay, a lamp is there which is of power 100 watt and it is lighted for 2 hours. A 50-watt TV running for 8 hours. In your home, TV is there, 50-watt TV which is running for 8 hours, and 2 electric fan working for 10 hours. And 2 electric fans are there in the house and it is working for the 10 hours of power 50 watt, and the power of that fan is 50 watt. Okay, then how many electric units are consumed each day? This is how our electric light bill comes in our home. If you have seen the light bill, how much we are telling how much unit we have consumed, what is the light bill. Okay, it depends on what is the cost of one unit. Okay, they multiplied the number of unit which you have consumed. Same thing you are going to find here. See, this much things are working in each day consumed they have given. Okay, so you have to find that how much units does this house are consuming using. Okay, so here you can see electric energy consumed by 260 watt bulbs. This I have written for saving the time. Now you can see here, for each thing you have to write like this statement: energy to electrical energy consumed by. Now we will go for one by one. See here, 260 watt bulb lighted for 5 hours. How you will write this statement? You will write energy consumed by 260 watt bulbs lighted for 5 hours. As I have told you just now, we have in this example we have said the formula: energy consumed equal to power into time. Same here, you are finding energy consumed equal to power into time, equal to power into time. So for 2 bulbs, what is the power here? 60 into time 5. Okay, so power you will take into T. Now while considering the power, just see here, there are 2 bulbs. You cannot consider only 60. As there are 2 bulbs, what you will take? So the formula it will be 2, because there are 2 bulbs of 60 watt. If only one bulb is there, you can take power only 60, but here 2 bulbs are there, that's why I have multiplied it by 2. Okay, for 2 bulbs now this power into time taken how much? 5 hours. 5 hours. Okay, now by solving this, how much you will get? 600 watt hour. This, as I have told you, see here, it is watt and it is hour, so you are getting here watt hour, but finding unit what you want, kilowatt hour you want, so you will convert this unit into kilowatt hour. That is how much you will get. You will divide this term by 1000. Okay, then you will get it kilowatt hour. So if you will divide it by 1000, 3 places it will shift this side, 1, 2 and 3. So your answer you are getting is 0.6 kilowatt hour. Same thing you have to do for all the steps. Now for second, see here what it is given: 100 watt lamp lighted for 2 hours. Same statement you will write. Now I will go with shortcuts because to save this time. Electric energy, so E, energy consumed by how much? Here only one lamp is there, so by 100 watt lamp for 2 hours. Okay, so what will be the power into time? Power time factor here I will write. Power only one bulb, so it is 100 watt, so I will take 100 watt power into time 2 hours, so you will get 200 watt hour. Here you are getting, again we want in kilowatt, so you will divide it by 1000. and 3 place again it will shift, you will get 0.2 kilowatt hour over. Okay, similarly you will find for next condition you can see here. See here, 50 watt TV running for 8 hours. Okay, now same again you will write energy consumed for 50 watt TV. Okay, so what it will be, again power into time t, which is 50 into time how much, 8 hours. Okay, 8 5s are 40 you will get. Only yes, 50 watt into 8 hours. Okay, how much you are getting, 40 watt hour you are getting. Again to convert it into this, how much you will do, you will divide this term by 1000. So how much you are getting, 0.04 kilowatt hour. Okay, so this you are getting. Please cross check these answers. And now 2 electric fans working for, now here 2 electric fans are there working for 10 hours of 50 watt. Again here 2 fans are there now. Okay, for fan I will write, for fan 2 fans, this statement you have to write as it is. Okay, for everything. Fan 2 electric fans of how much, 50 watts. Here 50 watt it is working, means how much it will be, now power into time, as there are 2 fans so I will write first 2. What is the power of the fan, 50. How much time it is working for, 10 hours. So how much, this will be 500 into 2, how much it will be, 1000 1000 watt. For kilowatt you will again divide it by 1000, you will get 1 kilowatt hour. Okay, and last, now what, as we have completed all the things, now you have to find the total electric unit, how much electric unit it has consumed. So lastly you will write total energy consumed will be, you will add all these terms you are going to add, that is 0.6 plus 0.2 plus 0.04 plus 1. Now you will add all these things, how much you are getting, see